CRPF Baracks placed at strategic places across Manipur as part of security measures to avert further violence. Andro village becomes one of the best tourism villages in the heritage category across the nation. New Chinese Heliport being built close to line of actual control near Arunachal Pradesh Fishtails region worries India. And Middle East on edge as second wave of explosions in Lebanon kills 20, injures over 450. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren on his Facebook account today informed the completion of CRPF Barrack place at some of the strategic places across the state. He also informed that the CRPF personnel have already been deployed in these barracks while few others are nearing completion. The completed CRPF barracks are located at Imphal West District, Phailing Ching Likhai and Sanjam Chirang. Barracks have also been placed at Nongpok Sekmai Police Station and Heirog in Thoubal District, Keitel Manbi Outpost and Channung near Yunako School in Imphal East District, Borobekra in Jiribam District, Gampit Bai under G. Saparmena Police Station in Kangpokpi District, Waroiching VDF Outpost and Lengan Tabi VDF Outpost in Bishnupur District, Palil Police Station Campus and Kongnang Faisabi Village in Kakching District and two other barracks in Churachampur District Headquarters, Reserve Line and Singat. Andro village of Manipur has been selected as one of the best tourism villages in the heritage category in the Best Tourism Villages competition organized by the Ministry of Tourism. The competition was organized to acknowledge a village that best exemplifies a tourism destination which preserves cultural and natural assets, promotes community-based values and lifestyles, and has a clear commitment to sustainability in all its aspects, economic, social, and environmental. The Ministry of Tourism had announced that the winner would be facilitated on the World Tourism Day on September 27 in New Delhi. The selection of Andro was announced in a letter addressed to Commissioner of Tourism, Government of Manipur, Deves Deval, by Joint Director General, Ministry of Tourism, Arun Srivastava. It stated that Andro village of Manipur has been selected as one of the best tourism villages under the state category in the 2024 edition of the Best Tourism Village competition. The letter further invited Deves Deval to take part in the upcoming event. Meanwhile, Chief Minister N. Biren on his X handle extended his heartfelt congratulations to the people of Manipur on the selection of Andro village as one of the best tourism villages under the heritage category by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. He said this recognition is a testament to the state's rich cultural heritage and the efforts of Andro in preserving its traditions and natural beauty. He called on the people of Manipur to take part in this achievement and continue working together to showcase the unique heritage of Manipur to the world. A 32-year-old widow belonging to the Kukizo community was found dead in the mysterious circumstances near P. Venyom Logo School in Churachampur district last night. The identity of the deceased was established after the body was shifted to the Churachampur District Hospital for a post-mortem examination. The deceased, Boysi Joysi Chahina, was the wife of late Hobson Kongsai of Churachampur District. A case has been registered in this regard and investigation is ongoing. Reports are coming in that a new Chinese heliport is being built very close to the line of actual control (LAC) that could significantly boost China's military capacity in this underdeveloped and remote area. The heliport is part of China's broader strategy of fortifying its military presence along the disputed frontier with India, raising fresh concerns in New Delhi. As per report by India Today, in a significant development that could alter the strategic landscape along the Indo-Chinese frontier, China is constructing a heliport just 20 kilometers east of the line of actual control (LAC) near the sensitive fishtail region of Arunachal Pradesh. The facility, situated along the Gongri-Gabu-Gor River in the Nyanchi Prefecture of the Tibet Autonomous Region, lies within undisputed Chinese territory. However, its location near a sensitive area of the border heightens concerns about China's growing military capacity in the region. Open source satellite imagery from EOS Data Analytic confirms that there is no construction at the heliport site as of December 1, 2023. However, by December 31st, satellite images showed land clearing activity marking the onset of the project. High-resolution imagery obtained from Maxar on September 16, 2024 indicates that the construction has progressed significantly with the heliport nearing completion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi targeted the Abdullahs, Muftis and Gandhis, saying they have brought only fear and anarchy to Jammu and Kashmir, and added that the region will no longer remain under their control as the local youth are now challenging them. He also accused these three families of believing that it is their birthright to grab power by any means and deprive the people of Jammu and Kashmir of their legitimate rights. He was addressing a public rally in Srinagar today. He said the youth whom they did not allow to progress have come out against them. Modi further criticized Congress, the National Conference (NC) and the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for creating divisions and asserted that the BJP is uniting everyone and bridging the gap between Dil and Delhi. Modi claimed that the Abdullah, Mufti and Gandhi families have destroyed the youth's faith in democracy, but now the youth are realizing that only their vote can bring real change. Jammu and Kashmir is voting for its 90-member assembly in 3 phases. The first phase of voting was held on September 18th. The other 2 rounds will be held on September 25th and October 1st, counting to take place on October 8th. Walkie-talkies and solar equipment exploded in Beirut and other parts of Lebanon yesterday in an apparent second wave of attack targeting devices a day after pagers used by Hezbollah blew up. The health ministry said that at least 20 people were killed and more than 450 wounded in the second wave. The attack, which were widely believed to be carried out by Israel targeting Hezbollah, but have also killed civilians, have hiked fears that the two sides' simmering conflict could escalate into all-out war. Speaking to Israeli troops yesterday, Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant said they are at the start of a new phase in the war. It requires courage, determination and perseverance. He made no mention of the exploding devices but praised the work of Israel's army and security agencies, saying the results are very impressive. In yesterday's attack, several blasts were heard at a funeral in Beirut for 3 Hezbollah members and a child killed by exploding pages the day before. The state news agency reported that a photographer in the southern coastal city of Sidon saw a car and a mobile phone shop damaged after devices exploded inside of them. A girl was heard in the south when a home solar energy system blew up. The new blast hit a country still shaking with confusion and anger after the previous day's pager bombing, which killed at least 12 people, including 2 children, and wounded some 2,800 others. Now the headlines once again. CRPF Baracks placed at strategic places across Manipur as part of security measures to avert further violence. Andro village becomes one of the best tourism villages in the heritage category across the nation. New Chinese Heliport being built close to line of actual control near Arunachal Pradesh fishtail region worries India. And Middle East on edge, a second wave of explosions in Lebanon kills 20, injures over 450. That is all we have for now. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Have a good evening.